Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you what Samsung AI can do. So we have here the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you have a photo taken of something and you think you could add something to it, just go pressing this button. Select this option, sketch to image, and you can draw something on a screen. I'm gonna try, not good at this, but I'm going to try to, never mind, I tried to draw a fish and type generate, see what happens. Oh my god, how cool is that? Look at this. AI generated some koi fish in the lake, so that's great. You can just save your copy, and of course you can add more, but how interesting is that?
Nice.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.